This place is getting cleared out. Woo! It's getting so empty. This was so full. Moving ahead. Yeah, there you go. It's time to get all the furniture moved in. Here we go. Color Superwoman. Super strong. Sarah has worked her little heart out, loading all my furniture in. She's passed out.
Take a little mini nap.
Waiting for Uber Eats to arrive. You gotta recharge. All the stuff is in here. I cannot even believe it. Once everything is organized, it's gonna be amazing. All right, guys. Everything is starting to come together. It's still pretty chaotic, but the shelves are in position. I got my temporary TV stand here. It feels so good to have everything unloaded and into the condo, no matter how chaotic it is right now. But I'm just glad to have it all in here. And thank you so much to Sarah and Adam and my dad for helping me unload my storage unit. It's a huge relief to have that done. But now it's time to do all the unboxing and getting everything in its place and in its home. So once it's all decorated, I will show you guys all the before and after photos so you guys can see. But right now, I gotta get to work and start unboxing some boxes. That one's kind of heavy, I'll wait. But gotta go.